Welcome to a new course. In this course, we're going to be discussing 15 idioms that are used in our daily lives. What is an idiom? An idiom is a common phrase that means something different from the meaning of its individual words. What does this mean? For example, if I say it's a piece of cake, I don't mean that it is a piece of cake. No, a piece of cake is an idiom that means it's easy. So if I say the exam was a piece of cake, that doesn't mean I was sitting and the teacher gave me the paper and the paper was a piece of cake. No, I meant that the exam was easy. So, how do we use idioms? Well, the first step is to find the idiom. But how do you find an idiom? How do you know that this phrase is an idiom? As we said, an idiom means more than its individual words. So if you find a phrase that seems strange to you in the context, then perhaps it's an idiom. So you're going to look it up, you're going to find out what it means, and the second step is to write it down. Get a notebook, collect your idioms in this notebook, and write what each idiom means. The third step is to practice using them. So you know what the idiom "it's a piece of cake" means. Then you can start by practicing with your family and your friends. After you get comfortable, you can start using them with strangers. Okay, good luck. See you in the next lecture. Bye.